Hi friends, welcome to another video. In this video, we are gonna clean my incredibly messy kitchen. I have all these paper bags from all the free breakfasts and lunches that we were getting from the school, and then we have Easter stuff all over the place. And oh my goodness, you guys, Easter was not a day of cleaning, that's for sure. It was a day to just rest and have fun and just be with each other, be with our family. So that's okay, you guys. You can have a lazy day, just make up for it the next day. So that's what I'm doing here. I have this fridge, has fingerprints all over it. I kind of feel bad to clean them off because right there's Riley's little fingerprint. It's so cute. But yeah, so I definitely need to clean that as well. So here we go, you guys. Let's get started. I hope that this video is very motivating to you.
I can feel my body cold against the concrete, but I can't seem to get enough. My mind is fixed on what it wants. I just let you beat me. Looks can be deceiving. Let you get the best of me in bed with my worst enemy. This is a no-go. I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone. Back up and get me home. This is a no-go. I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone. Back up and get me. So put your hand in mine. Follow me. Let me waste your time. Set up feet. Do some stupid shit. Take a seat. Let me waste your time. So put your acting like you're into me. I know this is hopeless, moving in slow motion, trying to control my thoughts, but I can't stop our body talk. This is a no-go. I just can't take hold. This is a danger.
Alright, so now that I have sprayed the disinfectant on there, I'm gonna let it sit for at least a minute or two before I wipe it down, just so it does its thing.
Back up and get me. So put your hand in mine. Follow me. Let me waste your time. Set up feet. Do some stupid shit. Take a seat. Let me waste your time. Set up feet. So put your walking home late at night, maybe 2:30. A little drunk, but I'm alright, 'cause I've been hanging with you, and it feels like love. Tell me if I'm wrong, 'cause it feels like love. Yeah, it feels like love. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Don't know what you do, but you make me feel fine. And you can't deny we are not just killing time. You should let me know if you want this true. Baby, you just make me feel crazy. A little crazy for you.
Yes, you guys, I am still drying these dishes after I wash them. For some reason, still my dishwasher's not working. Maybe when we get our stimulus check, we will get a new dishwasher or just pay to get this one fixed. Because this dishwasher is actually pretty new still. It's only like a couple years old at most.
So just tell me if I'm wrong, but it feels like love. Yeah, it feels like love. Yeah. Don't know what you do, but you make me feel fine. And you can't deny we are not just killing time. You should let me know if you want this true. Baby, you just make me feel crazy. A little crazy for you. A little crazy for you. Hey. A little crazy for you now. A little crazy for you now, baby. I'm a little crazy for you now. A little crazy for you now. A little crazy for you now, baby. I don't know what you do, but you make me feel fine. And you can't deny we are not just killing time. You should let me know if you want this true. Baby, you just make me feel crazy. A little crazy for you. I feel crazy. A little crazy for you, baby.
I'm going to be putting on my apron because I don't know why, but I suck at doing the dishes. I get water splashed all over the place and including all over me. So I'm going to be wearing my apron. And if you're curious where I got the apron from, it's Grove Collaborative.
Yeah, it's a hot day. I'm hanging in the sunshine.
So what I like to do when I have so many dirty dishes to wash is I will hand wash them and put them to the side on that towel that you saw me put there. And then when I'm done cleaning them all, I will put them all directly to the dishwasher. It just makes it much easier for me that way.
For some Queen Bee too. Bass is going boom boom. Baby, if you're looking for some crazy.
Oh my gosh, you guys, my concentration face, I tell you.
You can come on over. We can take the roller coaster. And you know everybody's looking for a ride in the water slide. Water slide. Water slide. Surfing on a wave of good feelings. Well, it's just another Friday in paradise. So bring your A game, cause you know this party won't stop. We could never run out of time, sipping strawberry lime. You know I wanna share it with you. Bass is going boom boom. Baby, if you're looking for some crazy, I'll tell you everybody's standing in a line for the water slide. You can come on over. We can take the roller coaster. And you know everybody's looking for a ride in the water slide. Water slide. Water slide. It's getting kinda crazy up in here. Got that DJ playing music everybody wants to hear, yeah. It's getting kinda crazy up in here. Everybody wants a ride in the water slide. 3, 4. Baby, if you're looking for some crazy, I'll tell you everybody's standing in a line for the water slide. You can come on over.
All right, so I didn't know this, but my battery died on my phone where I record from. during a big part of that, so I'm sorry you missed a little clip, but I just got back up and did the rest on camera for you.
Water slide. I never understood a word they said. Kept running in the woods alone instead. Somewhere, somehow, I guess I lost it all. Try to keep it up and standing tall. Why don't you stay, stay, 'cause I could really use a friend. Stay, please stay, 'cause my heart really needs a man. Somewhere, somehow, I guess I lost it all. Stay, stay here with me. I'm trying to make it up for my mistakes, but everywhere I turn, some hearts will break. Something, someone will end up getting hurt again. There's no need to play pretend. Why don't you stay, stay, 'cause I could really use a friend. Stay, please stay, 'cause my heart really needs a man. Somewhere, somehow, I guess I lost it all. Stay, stay here with me.
So I am going to be just hand washing those 2 bowls because I have more dishes to put in here, and those 2 bowls are really easy to hand wash, so I figured might as well do that.
Why don't you stay, oh stay, 'cause I could really use a friend. Why don't you stay, please stay, 'cause my heart really needs.
So this cookie sheet is so caked on. Oh my goodness. I tell you guys, no matter how bad you just want to just put something to the side, if there is stuff on there that will stick on there and just stay on there forever, just get to it right away. Clean it off right away before it gets too hard, too stuck on. I had to scrape it with a butter knife. It was just really difficult to get all this off of there. But hey, I did eventually get it off, and yeah, very happy about that.
I wanna get to your clothes, gotta get it right now. I wanna push all the limits with you right now. So watch your feelings, the city's screaming, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. People talk and tell what you wanna hear now, but they all disappear, they will let you down. So we better stick together, let's come whatever, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. We only need the two of us together. I need only you in this crazy world, 'cause we got love, love. I need only you here with me. You wanna get close to me, why don't you do it right now? You know we met for a reason, but you're trying to deny that we should be together. It's heavy weather, we're heading for tonight. You better take what you can, 'cause the time is right now. We only need the two of us.
Dollar Tree furniture polish because I cannot find my end dust anywhere. No idea where it's at. I don't know if it's just streaky just because it's still drying, but it was a Dollar Tree furniture spray, and if you watch Jessie Christine, she tells you about using end dust, and end dust really does work well. So we'll see how this works for our fridge.
Don't wanna wake up, I might be dreaming. I might be dreaming. You're stirring things up, my heart is beating. My heart is beating. I won't let go, I can't say no. My heart is yours, so I say here we go. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart.
Look at all that. That's all yucky. Egg pieces, dirt, dust, dog hair, and Easter grass all over the place.
It ain't my style. It ain't my style. You see right through me. I don't wanna hide. No, I don't wanna hide. I won't let go. I can't say no. My heart is yours, so I say here we go. You do that something to me. You do that something to my heart. I give up. You won't stop. I'm like a spinning top. You do that something to me. You do that something to my heart. I give up. You won't stop. And I keep spinning. You see right through me. Do that to me. So let's do this, baby. You do that something to me. You do that something to my heart. I give up. You won't stop. I'm like a spinning top. Giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up. Oh, I'm like a spinning top. Giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up.
All right, you guys, I hope this video was motivating. I really am happy I got my kitchen cleaned, and yeah, I hope that you guys are staying safe and healthy and just kicking your house's butt. I hope you guys have a fabulous day. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye now.